welcome in today's lecture. In this lecture, we focus on the topic, and this topic is the agencies of pollination. Already आपण लास्ट लेक्चरमध्ये इथे पाहिलं होतं की एजन्सीज ऑफ अ पॉलिनेशन दीज आर having the two types, and one is the biotic agency and second is the biotic agency. But now in this case we focus on, or in this lecture we focus on the biotic agency, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about these birds, bat, snail and snake, about that agencies. आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये इथे मग सुरुवातीला आपण इथे पाहणार आहोत द पॉलिनेशन दीज आर ऑकर्स with the help of biotic agent, and this biotic agent, this is the bird. You can see here the birds, these are participate in the pollination, or these are act as a agent or pollinators in this case, and this type of pollination, this is called as the ornithophy. The flower in which the birds, these are participate or act as a pollinator agent, then this flower, this is called as the ornithophilous flower, or this plant is called as the ornithophilous plant. And this plant or this flower having the specific characteristics. Actually this flower, these are usually bright color, that is a red, orange, yellow and blue color, that is this show the bright colorful flower. And these flower, these are generally large flower. This may be in inflorescence, that is in group, or in also the solitary flower, that is these are the separate. And these show the floral part, these are commonly leathery type. Leathery type means like a skin, जसे यामध्ये स्किन असते किंवा लेदर असतं त्या टाईपमध्येचे फ्लोरल पार्ट्स, दॅट इज द कॅलिक्स, करोना, अँड्रोशियम, गायनोशियम, हे फ्लोरल पार्ट्स यामध्ये असतात. These flower, that is the ornithophilous flower, in which the pollination occurs by the birds. These flower, these secrete the abundant watery nectar. This is also called as the dilute nectar. Dilute nectar, that is also called as the watery nectar, and these are in large amount, and these also show the edible part. And because of that, the pollination this occurs with the help of birds, and this scent is often absent, that is the odor or fragrance, these are absent in this flower. हे फ्लावर ब्राईट कलर असतात, लार्ज असतात, लार्ज अमाऊंटमध्ये नेक्टर असतं, लेदरी यामध्ये फ्लोरल पार्ट्स असतात. बट या फ्लावरमध्ये जे सेंट आहे किंवा ज्याला आपण फ्रॅग्रन्स म्हणतो किंवा जी ऑर्डर आहे तर ते यामध्ये अब्सेंट असतं. दिस इज द कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ these flower, that is the ornithophilous flower. The pollination occurs with the help of birds. That flower having these specific characteristics. And next, this is the chiropterophily. Chiropterophily means the pollination occurs or carried out through the bats. Bats, you can see here this bat, this act as a pollinator agent, or this is the agent of pollination, then this is called as the chiropterophily. And these are flower, these are called as the chiropterophilous flower. And in which plant we can see this type of pollination? Kigelia pinnata, Anthocephalus, Kadam, Adansonia, these are Arbahonia. These are the examples in which the pollination occurs with the help of bats. Actually bats, these are the nocturnal. What is meant by nocturnal? Nocturnal means the living organism. These are survive at the night time. जे living organism nightला survive करतात, these are called as the nocturnal. And these flower, these are also nocturnal. These are exposed or open at the night time. And this is the characteristics of chiropterophilous flower. These having the rigid or large tough pedicels, stalk, and these are the large and tough flower. And why these are large and tough flower? Actually the bat, these are attached or hold this flower, and because of that these flower, these also show these characteristics. The flower open evening, since bat, these are nocturnal animal, that is survive at the night time, and because of this flower, these are also nocturnal. These show or see this show the strong scent, like that the rotting or ripening fruits, and because of that this a bat this a attract to that flower. अट्रॅक्ट होतात ब्लॅट त्या फ्लावरकडे, कारण त्या फ्लावरमध्ये स्ट्रॉंग सेंट असतो, स्ट्रॉंग ऑर्डर असते, स्ट्रॉंग फ्रॅग्रन्स असतो, आणि म्हणून बॅट त्या फ्लावरकडे अट्रॅक्ट होते आणि त्यामध्ये पॉलिनेशन होऊन जातं. बॅट्स फीड ऑन द नेक्टर अँड पोलन प्रोड्यूस इन द व्हेरी लार्ज अमाऊंट ऑफ these flower, and actually bat carry this pollen grain through some kilometers or long distance, and these flower these show the large amount of nectar and large amount of pollen grain. ॲक्च्युली बॅट पॉलिनेशन यामुळे करते कारण त्या फ्लावरमध्ये लार्ज अमाऊंटमध्ये नेक्टर असतं, त्याचबरोबर लार्ज अमाऊंटमध्ये पोलन ग्रेन असतात, जे यामध्ये त्या सक करण्यासाठी बॅट तिथे जाते आणि त्यानुसार यामध्ये पॉलिनेशन होऊन जातं. अँड बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट दिस फ्लावर शो दिस कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, and these characteristics these are present in Chiropterophyllus flower, and these flower open at the night time. The next type, and this is the Malacophily. You can see here the Malacophily means the pollination occurs through the snail and slug. You can see this is the snail which do the process of this pollination, and this having the example Alocasia, Lemna, Calocasia. These are the examples in which the pollinations occurs through the snail. Aroids, these are also the examples of these Malacophily, that is pollination occurs through the snail and slug. The next type this is the Myrmecophily. Myrmecophily, you can see the pollination occurs through the ant. This is the ant which participate in the pollination, and these are agent when participate in the pollination, then this pollination is called as the Myrmecophily pollination, and which having the example Medicago sativa, Mealy, Tortoise officinalis, or Rubiaceae family. Rubiaceae family, these are the family show the characteristics pollination in this family or member of the family. In this case we can see the pollinations through the ants, and in these plants the ant these are participate as a pollinator, or these are act as a agent of pollination. Because of this flower shows the edible pollen grain, and because of ant goes there and then do the process of this or carried the pollination in this flower, and this type of pollination this is called as the Myrmecophily pollination, and this is the characteristics of Rubiaceae family. So now we focus on the MCQs which based on this type of pollination, that is the pollination occurs through the birds, bats, ants, and also the pollination occurs through the slug and snails. Now we focus on these MCQs. The first question is Chiropterophily is the process of pollination by. Chiropterophily हा असा एक पॉलिनेशनचा प्रकार आहे की in which the pollinators these are, first option A is the water, second is the bat, third is the insect, and fourth is the bird. Actually different pollinators participate in the pollination process, or pollinators these are the agent which transfer the pollen grain from anther to stigma in different flower, and in this case having the different name or different terminology, and in which the Chiropterophily this terminology or pollination these are used when the pollen grain these are carried by, म्हणजे पोलन ग्रेन जे कॅरी केले जातात किंवा जे पॉलिनेशन यामध्ये खालीलपैकी कोणत्या पॉलिनेटरमुळे किंवा एजंटमुळे होतं की ज्याला आपण चिरोप्टेरोफिली इथे म्हणतो, त्यामध्ये वॉटर, बॅट, इन्सेक्ट अँड बर्ड्स. यामध्ये अगोदर आपण पाहिलं होतं की वॉटरने जर पॉलिनेशन होत असेल दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज द हायड्रोफिली, त्याला हायड्रोफिली म्हणतात. हायड्रो मीन्स वॉटर अँड फिली मीन्स लविंग. If the pollination occurs by the insect then this is called as the entomophily, त्यावेळेस त्याला entomophily म्हणतात. आणि जर पॉलिनेशन बर्ड्सनी होत असेल, स्मॉल बर्ड्सनी होत असेल then this is called as the ornithophily. And if the pollination occurs by bat, जर बॅटमुळे पॉलिनेशन होत असेल तर देन दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज द चिरोप्टेरोफिली अँड यू कॅन सी इन दिस फोटो द पॉलिनेशन ऑकर्स by the bat, and in this photo you can see this pollination occurs by bat and this is called as the chiropterophily. त्याला इथे chiropterophily म्हणतात, म्हणजेच पॉलिनेशन बॅटनी होत असेल तर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन किंजेलिया पिन्नाटा द पॉलिनेशन टेक्स प्लेस बाय. किंजेलिया पिन्नाटा हे जे प्लांट्स आहे ह्या प्लांट्समध्ये पॉलिनेशन कशाने होतं? पहिला ऑप्शन आहे बर्ड्स म्हणजे पक्ष्यांनी. सेकंड ऑप्शन आहे बी आहे बॅट्समुळे होत असेल. सी आहे वाइंड आणि त्यानंतर फोर्थ आहे यामध्ये इन्सेक्ट. ॲक्च्युली किजेलिया पिनाटा दिस इज द लार्ज ट्री अँड इन विच हॅविंग द लार्ज फ्लावर दिस आर नॉक्चर्नल अँड these having the pollinating agent and these are the bats. And this is called as the chiropterophily and Kigelia pinnata, this is the example of chiropterophily. In this case the pollination occurs by the bat. बॅट यामध्ये पार्टिसिपेट करते किंवा बॅट यामध्ये जे पोलन ग्रेन आहे ते कॅरी करते आणि तो जो फेनॉमेना आहे किंवा दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज द चिरोप्टेरोफिली अँड वी कॅन सी इन द किजेलिया पिनाटा दिस इज द लार्ज ट्री फॉर्मिंग the large flower and in this case the pollination occurs by the bat. इन्सेक्टनी जर पॉलिनेशन होत असेल तर दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज द अँटेमोफिली. वाईडनी होत असेल तर दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज द ॲनिमोफिली. बर्ड्सनी होत असेल तर दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज द ॲनिमोफिली अँटेमोफिली अँड दिस हॅविंग द डिफरंट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्लावर. But Kigelia pinnata this show the large flower and large flower. If the plant produce the large flower or this having the attractive or which having the fragrance and these are a fragrance like a ripe fruit, then in this plant the pollination occurs by the bat. त्या प्लांटमध्ये जे पॉलिनेशन आहे तर ते यामध्ये बॅटमुळे होतं, म्हणजेच यामध्ये जी वट वाघूळ आहे तर ती यामध्ये पॉलिनेशन करते. यू कॅन सी द किजेलिया पिनाटा विथ द बॅट इन द फोटो. बॅट कशी पॉलिनेशन करते यू कॅन सी इन दिस फोटो अँड दीज आर द किजेलिया पिनाटा प्लांट. The next question, pollination by slug and snail is called. In this photo you can see the snail in the flower and if the snail which participate in the pollination or which carry the pollen grain from anther to stigma, this is called as, or that terminology is called as, the first option ornithophily, second malacophily, third anemophily and fourth chiropterophily. If the pollination occurs by birds then this is called as the ornithophily. If the pollination occurs by the ear then this is called as the anemophily. If the pollination occurs by the bat then this is called as the chiropterophily or chiropterophilus. And if the pollination occurs by the slug and snail then this phenomenon that type of pollination is called as the malacophily. ते जे pollination आहे this is called as the malacophily and malacophily this term these are used if the pollination occurs or carried out through the slugs and snail. And in this photo you can see the pollination this carried out with the help of a snail and this is called as the malacophily and this phenomenon is called as the that flower is called as the malacophilous flower and this plant these are also called as the malacophilous plant. And in this photo you can see this type of pollination that pollination occurs or carried out with the help of snail and also in some cases these are also carried out through the slug. And this is the this is having the particular terminology and this is called as the malacophily. And here the option B you can see and this option in which you can see the malacophily, this term these are used in this case. Here you can see the next question and this next question is pollination by birds is called as. If the pollination occurs or carried out through the birds, in this photo you can see the flower and birds and these small birds for example hummingbirds which carry the pollination in some plant, that a plant having the large flower and this show the diluted large amount of nectar. This is the characteristics of this flower in which the birds carried out this pollination, or this act as a agent of pollination, and this is called as the ornithophily. Actually, ornithophily, this term, these are used if the pollination carried out by birds. Chiropterophily, this term used if the pollination carried out through the bats. Entomophily, that means the pollination carried out through the insect. And malacophily, these are the pollination carried out through the snail or slug. But here you can see the pollination, these are carried out through the birds, and this type of pollination, this is called as the ornithophily. Actually all these questions are, these are previous asked question आहेत. ते सर्व जे क्वेश्चन आहे हे प्रिव्हियस आस्क यामध्ये क्वेश्चन आहे की त्यानुसार यामध्ये आपण हे पॉलिनेशन कॅरीड आउट्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ बायोटिक फॅक्टर. आजचे जे क्वेश्चन्स आहे हे बायोटिक फॅक्टरवरती आहे किंवा बायोटिक एजंटवरती आहे, जे ऑल क्वेश्चन्स यामध्ये प्रिव्हियस आस्क क्वेश्चन आहे. आणि यातला हा लास्ट क्वेश्चन आहे की पॉलिनेशन बाय बर्ड्स. पॉलिनेशन जर बर्ड्सनी होत असेल तर दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज द ऑर्निथोफिली. त्या पॉलिनेशनला इथे ऑर्निथोफिली म्हणतात. दॅट फ्लावर दिज आर कॉल्ड ॲज द ornithophilous flower, and that plant these are called as the ornithophilous plant. This show the large flower, and this is the characteristics of that flower in which the small birds these are participate, or which carried out the pollen grain from anther to stigma. And here the right option, this is the option A, that is ornithophily. This term these are used when the pollination these are carried out through the birds. We will meet in next lecture with the next topic or MCQs of next topic. Thank you so much.